Starting your window and door replacement project is easier than ever with Infinity from Marvin's virtual consultations. A few quick measurements of your windows and doors from the interior of your home makes it simple for you to get a free quote. You don't have to worry about being perfect. We're just gathering basic measurements. Let's get started by grabbing your tape measure and measure sheet to record width and height measurements. You can measure around any blinds or shades. Window and door measurements are always recorded width first and then height. So let's get started by measuring the width of your windows and doors. For windows, measure the distance from the inside of one jamb to the other. For patio doors, measure from the inside of one jamb to the other. Record your width measurements, rounding up to the nearest inch. Now, let's measure the height of your windows and doors. For windows, measure the distance from the sill and the head jamb. For patio doors, measure the distance between the floor or threshold and the head jamb. Record your height measurements, rounding up to the nearest inch. Your local Infinity expert can virtually help you measure special shape windows. Once you move forward with your project, a measure technician will precisely verify all window and door measurements before everything is ordered. If you have questions while measuring your windows and doors, reach out to your local Infinity expert. They're here to help.